Mastering the art of clarification in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase that can help you communicate more effectively. To clarify my point. Understanding and using this phrase correctly can make a big difference in your conversations, presentations, and overall communication skills. So, let's get started. When someone says, "To clarify my point," they mean they want to make their idea, opinion, or statement clearer, easier to understand. This phrase is used when the speaker believes the listener might not have fully grasped what was being said, or there might be some confusion or misunderstanding. Clarification helps ensure that both parties are on the same page, preventing miscommunication. You can use this phrase in a variety of situations. During discussions or debates when you want to ensure your argument is understood clearly. In presentations or speeches, if you think a part of your message wasn't clear to your audience. In writing, such as emails or reports, to highlight and elaborate on a key point you think might need further explanation. 1. Be concise and direct. After saying, "To clarify my point," directly state what you mean in a simple and straightforward manner. 2. Use examples or analogies. Sometimes, giving an example or comparing your point to something familiar can help make your explanation clearer. 3. Ask for feedback. After clarifying, it's helpful to ask your listener if they understood your point, to ensure effective communication. Let's practice with a few examples. To clarify my point, what I mean is that learning English not only improves communication skills but also enhances cognitive abilities. Just to clarify my point, when I referred to cutting costs, I was specifically talking about reducing unnecessary expenses in our marketing budget. Remember, the goal of communication is to be understood. Using "to clarify my point" is a powerful tool in achieving that clarity. We hope this video has helped shed light on how to use this phrase effectively in your daily English communication. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to clarify your points whenever necessary. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.